Welcome everyone. So in today's video, we are going to learn the solution of a little bit tricky and viral mathematics problem. That is, we have to find the square root of 61 square minus 36 square minus 25 square divided by 2. So at first it may look a little bit tricky, but if we figure out that 61 is nothing but the summation of 36 and 25. So that means this question becomes a little bit easier. In fact, quite easy to understand and solve. So if we consider 36 as A and 25 as B, so 61 will look like A plus B. That means 61 square will be A plus B whole square. So if we use the identity of A plus B power 2, so it will become A square plus B square plus 2AB. And in fact, in question, inside the square root, we have 61 square minus 36 square minus 25 square, which means it is nothing but a plus b square minus a square minus b square. So if we use this identity, so a plus b square can be written as a square plus b square plus 2ab, then minus a square minus b square. So these two terms will be cancelled out and the remaining term will be 2ab, which means twice of 36 times 25. So if we put the value of 61 square minus 36 square minus 25 square, so the square root becomes 2 multiplication 36 multiplied 25 divided by 2. These two numbers will be cancelled out, so the remaining part is square root of 36 multiplied 25. So if we split the square root in both these real numbers, so the resultant will be square root of 36 multiplied square root of 25. So square root of 36 becomes 6 and square root of 25 becomes 5, and 6 multiplied 5 will be 30. So the answer of this tricky and viral mathematics problem is 30. So I hope you enjoy the solution. So please like, share and subscribe to the channel.